How's it going, everybody? Brian back here with a look at Caspa. You can see we came up and poked our head out of this resistance area here, and got a little bit of a pushback. Okay, looks like a possible 5 waves up in here, and an A, B, C correction coming up. That would get these bigger RSIs on the bottom. We have the 4-hour heading down. We have the 8-hour. I want to show you these because just us poking our head out of there is, showing some strength for sure. All right, we got came up, and you can see here. Let's put a line across this. Came up and hit exactly right there. All right, so let's get this this one off here, right at that 13-cent area. This looks like the major resistance right there where we hit. We have that 8-hour pulling down. We have the 12-hour pulling down also. But we have the big ones, all right? I'm going to show you here. We have the big ones lining up for a move. All right, over on the bubbles here. Caspa, 24-hour volume, 69.6. Market cap, 2.87. That's good for rank number 39. All right, nothing really big happening here today. But I definitely wanted to get this Caspa video out because it's, we got some strength showing here. Nothing really going on. Last 24 hours, we've added 36 dolphins. That's 100,000 to a million. That's a really good size wallet. 10,000 to 100,000, we've added 27. And from 1,000 to 10,000, we've added 87. So you can see here, mostly this chart has been green, obviously. All right, we've had -1 whale the last 7 days. I don't know if you'll end up regretting that or not. Good, but what can you blame 10 million to 100 million? Can you blame somebody for taking profit? Absolutely not. That's the name of the game here, making money. The Kaspa price displays a breakout rally. Kaspa to hit 20 cents. Now, this is from Coinpedia. They're thinking could possibly get a breakout here. All right, so the moving average, the MACD displays a rising green histogram indicating increased positive price sentiment in the crypto space. Furthermore, the averages showed bullish uptrend, highlighting Kaspa price will continue gaining value in the coming time. All right, so you can see here that they're thinking possible break here. Okay, we can back over here, and I'm going to show you guys a couple charts at the end here that are breaking out. We're here to make money, right? So there's a couple coins that look like they're really going to make some nice moves here. Over on the upper time frames, we have the daily on Kaspa just about to the top here. All right, this poke out. You can probably hear the rain in the background, guys. I apologize. I just really wanted to get this out today to you guys after we're, showing some strength here. Got that daily right at the top. We got the 3-day. These ones here are awesome. The 3-day is just starting up. All right, and you got your 5-day. Same thing, just starting up, and the weekly. Same, just heading up to the upside. All right, so you can see down here, the bearish divergence on there, and of course, boom, we got this major pullback here. All right, these RSIs, man, you got to keep an eye on them too. You got to use, don't get crazy and use a ton of things on your charts, and overcomplicate it. But the RSI, the moving averages, volume, stuff like that, just really pay attention to stuff like that. We have our trend line down here that we've been, following for quite a while here. Let's extend this out. We are pulled away from it a little bit. We are, what are we, to that trend, roughly 12%, away from our trend line. And sometime we're going to have to come back to that thing, right? It can pull away from it, absolutely, no question about it. There's a thing I want to show you guys. This might help you tremendously, all right? Elliot Wave Lux Algo. I found this over there in the indicators. Just put in Elliot Wave. I missed putting an L in here. All right, and go to the one that has 8,000. 8,118. Elliot Wave Lux Algo. Click on that. All right, if you want to learn how to do Elliot waves, you know, after 5 waves, I didn't put this on here. This is the watch. Click it off. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes in after that? An ABC correction. All right, and then it also gives you targets for possible prices. This is giving a target down here. I don't see that happening for sure, but you know, it's showing a possible correction down here for a big ABC. All right, you can go in on a daily. This thing is awesome. It really is. You know, it breaks everything down. All right, you can see over here. I mean, look at this. It shows all your waves. You zoom in there, and look at these things. You know, after 5 waves, you know, corrections coming. A, B, C. You got 5 waves here. A, B, C. Okay, it's really awesome. Gave a target for that C wave down here, and obviously it hit it. So if you're interested in it, go get it, guys. It'll definitely help you out here. All right, I'm going to show you guys a couple charts that you might be interested in definitely checking out here. Okay, number 1, Cody. All right, like I said, we're all here to make money. None of us just own one crypto, right? All right, look at this. If I go out on a weekly, I believe it. Yeah, look at the Elliot wave Lux Algo is giving Cody targets up here. Okay, which I also, if you watch my Cody videos, you can see here once it breaks up through this 23 cent area, it broke a major resistance. All right, this white line right here, it's retesting now. Okay. You got the daily, the weekly. The weekly's just heading up. Of course, the 5-day. All of our big RSIs, you know. And if you look at this thing on a bigger view here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave coming on this thing on Cody. All right. The other one I've been really watching over here is Render. Okay. You take a look at this thing. All right, it's thinking this is an automated thing, but it's thinking that it already did 5 waves. This Lux Algo in here, which that's absolutely possible. It's right in my box right now. All right, if Elgin breaks through $12, it's heading towards 1856. All right, it is right in my box at 618 and 702. That's another one to keep an eye on, because like I said, if it breaks through, it's heading up to 1856. We're all here to make money, right? I think this is a 5th wave on Elgin. I think it started here maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see if I'm right here in the end. But keep an eye here. It hit that 702. Look at that. If you zoom in here, it hit that 702 right on the dot there. So if it breaks through that 1160, look out. Render's really heading. All right, guys, and the members. You guys are absolutely the best. I got a couple more charts to show you real quick. Thank you so much. I mean that. I love you guys. You are absolutely the best. Over 200 members in the members area. Thank you so much. And I mean that really from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I never thought anything like that would happen in my life, you know, with YouTube. So I honestly, thank you so much. If you're interested, guys, give you a jump on trading. I have 22 videos over there over 9 hours and a link to our Discord. It's only $15. So if that's something that interests you, please go check it out. Level 3. But gold, we can see, has been rising here. It has hit a 1618 at that 2360 level. All right, possibly a 5th wave here, an ABC down, maybe. You know, if it breaks through this level, 2821 is next. You got the monthly on gold right at the top. Your weekly is coming down. Looks like it's going to curve back up. Looks like a 5th wave right here coming in on gold. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. We'll see if it breaks through a 702 here. Gold, that's another one to keep an eye on here. It's right at that 618 right now. You know, right there. You can see there if you zoom in a little bit. And silver. Gold and silver have really been, silver is going to go up to about $36 here, it looks like. On the monthly, 618 up here. All right, if we come out over here. All right, the monthly still heading up on the RSI, but look, it has not come up to a 618 yet at 35 bucks. The all-time high over here, $49. And if it breaks through at 618.702, this could get really interesting for silver. All right, so I'm expecting it to head up to 35. I have an alarm set on there. And the RSIs are pointing that way. All right, thank you so much, guys. I want to take a look at Bitcoin real quick. If you want to stick around for that, let's see what's going on here with Bitcoin. It's down 2,500 bucks today, which is pulling the market down some here. All right, this Lux Algo, that's thinking that Bitcoin did its fifth wave here. You know, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's on the whole monthly. I'm sorry. Isn't that interesting? Huh. That is super interesting to me. You know, because the Fibonacci, wow. Wouldn't that be something? Alright, let's go in on a weekly. You know, the Fibonacci gave a target for 72,000 bucks back from 2017. Look at this. Let me show you real quick. Alright, the Fib, put it on top here. This is pretty interesting, guys, to me. Right around 73,000. I'm not exactly where I need to be here, but that came straight up. Wow, unbelievable. You know, if you, yeah, and look at it, it's giving targets down here, 17,000 bucks. Wouldn't that be absolutely crazy? I don't believe that's happening, but that would be insane. We have the weekly almost reset here. You know, it's showing. Look at this. That's what I like about unbiased opinion here. You know, you got your ABC here for Bitcoin, and that target area that I had in here. You know, it needs to get through, and then that 67,000 up here. That's the big one. Is this a wave 1, 2 starting for Bitcoin? Well, we have the daily looking a little bearish. We got the 3-day. Where's the 3-day at here? Right on the bottom and bullish. And we got the 5-day for Bitcoin. Right on the bottom and bullish. Looks fantastic. And that weekly is almost ready to turn up, you know. So keep that 67,000 bucks. Key area to take out. I keep saying that, but it really is. Let me get this stuff off here a second. You know, you had this ABC in here, this correction, this bottom come in. I drew that, not the Lux Algo. All right, so if that is a bottom and Bitcoin is starting on 1, 2, you know, up towards that 80, I'm thinking it's heading up towards about 83 to 85. So we'll see what happens here. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you very soon. Have a great day.